Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the Unit 6 book back exercise. So see the first one, graphite and diamond are both covalent crystals. So option C is the correct answer. See the second question, an ionic compound AXBY crystallizes in FCZ type crystal structure with B ions at the center of each face and A ion occupying center of the cube. The correct formula of AXBY is option B, AB3. The ratio of closed packing atoms to tetrahedral hole in cubic packing is. So the ratio is asking in the third question. So option B, 1 is to 2. Solid CO2 is an example of. So option C, molecular solid. So fifth answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So question number 6. In calcium fluoride having fluoride structure, the coordination number of Ca2 plus ion and F minus are option C 8 and 4. So the option, question number 7, the number of unit cells in 8 gram of the element X, so which crystallizes in BCC pattern is. So option B 6.023 into 10 power 23. Question number 8. In a solid atom, M occupies CCP lattice and 1 by 3 of tetrahedral voids are occupied by atom N. Find the formula of solid formed by M and N. So option D, M3, N2. Question number 10. The ionic radii of A plus and B minus are 0.98 into 10 power minus 10 meter and 181 into 10 power minus 10 meter. The coordination number of each ion in AB is. So option C, 6. So question number 11, option is D. So question number 12, the solid compound XY has NaCl structure. If the radius of the cation is 100 pm, then the radius of the anion will be. So option A. So the vacant space in BCC crystal unit lattice is. So option C, 32%. So the question number 15, the radius of an atom is 300 pm. If it crystallizes in a FCC lattice, the edge find the length if the edge of the unit cell is. So the formula to calculate the edge length for FCC is, so edge length equal to A equal to root 2A, root 2A equal to 4R. So A is the edge length. So edge length only we are going to calculate. So A is equal to 4R. So R is the radius of the atom is given in the question. So 4 into 300 divided by 2. So root 2 value is 0.414. So A value we are getting the, so afterwards we are multiplying this two number and divided with the root 2 value means we are getting A is equal to 848.4 pm. So option B is the correct answer. So next, the fraction of the total volume occupied by the atoms in the simple cube is. So option B, pi by 6. So next question number 17, the yellow color in NaCl crystal is due to option A, excitation of electrons in the F centers. So next question number 18, so if A stands, so if A stands for the edge length of the cubic system, so SC, BCC and FC, then the ratio of radii of the spheres in the system will be respectively. So then how to calculate this one means, so for simple cubic, 2R is equal to A. So for calculating the cubic length, the formula is 2R is equal to A. So R only we are going to calculate. So R is equal to A by 2. So for BCC, formula is 4R equal to root 3 into A. So R only we are going to calculate. So R is equal to root 3 A. So for FCC, the formula is 4R equal to root 2 into A. So R equal to root 2 into A divided by 4. So what answer we are getting? A by 2 into root 2. So the answer is, so the option is C, 1 by 2A, root 3 by 4A is to 1 by 2 into root 2A. So option E is the correct answer. So ninth question, if A is the length of the side of the cube, the distance between the body centered atom and the one corner atom in the cube will be. So option D is the correct answer. So question number 20, potassium has a BCC structure with the nearest neighbor distance 4.52 angstrom. Its atomic weight is 39. Its density will be 915 kilogram per meter cube. So Scotty defect in the crystal is absorbed when? So option B, equal number of anions. So the anions are missing from the lattice. So question number 22. The cation leaves its original position in the crystal and moves to some interstitial position. The defect in the crystal is known as, so option C, Frankel defect. So question number 23. Acetation. Due to Frankel defect, density of the crystalline solid decreases. Reason. In Frankel defect, cation and the anion leaves the crystal. So option D, both acetation and reason are false. So next question number 24. The crystal with a metal deficiency effect is, so option B, FeO. The two-dimensional solid pattern is given. So that solid pattern is made up of two atoms, that is X and Y. So the formula is asking in the question. So option, so answer is XY8. So that is option A. So next answer the following first one. Define unit crystal. So answer is in page number 180. So refer 6.4 first paragraph. So first sixth line. So up to unit cell you need to mark. So question 2. Question number 2, give any three characteristics of ionic crystals. So the answer is in page number 179. So under the content 6.31, so paragraph 2, so under the topic characteristics of ionic crystals. So next question number 3, differentiate crystalline solids and amorphous solids. So answer is in page number 178. You need to refer 6.1. So under the topic differences between. So question number 4, classify the following compounds. The P4 is a molecular solid, diamond is a covalent solid, so iodine is a molecular solid, brass is a metallic solid, so NaCl is an ionic solid. So next question number 5, distinguish between hexagonal close packing and a cubic close packing. So hexagonal close packing, ABA arrangement. So the first sphere and the ABA. So that means, so first sphere and the third sphere are exactly aligned with each other. So in the cubic close packing, ABC arrangement. So there is no similarity between the first and the third layer. So again, the first layer is similar with the fourth layer only. So that is the difference between the cubic close packing and the hexagonal close packing. So and then question number 6, explain briefly 7 types of unit cell. So answer is in page number 181 under 6.5. So next, distinguish tetrahedral and the octahedral voids. So in tetrahedral voids, so the singular triangular void is surrounded by the 6 spheres. So the radius of the tetrahedral sphere is 0.225. So and the octahedral means the single void is surrounded by the 6 spheres. So and the radius for this type is 0.414. So the detailed explanation of this voice is in the video. Kindly watch that video again. So what are point defects? So answer is in page number 193. So refer 6.7. So explain Scotty defect. So answer is in page number 193. So refer, you need to refer 6.71. So under the topic Scotty defect. So write a short notes on metal excess and the metal deficiency defect with an example. So the answer is in page number 194 and 195. So you need to refer 6.73 and 6.74. So calculate the number of atoms in the FCC unit cell. Here this one is printed wrongly, not FEE, FCC unit cell. So the answer is in page number 184. So you need to refer 6.53. So under the topic FCC. So next question number 12. So explain AA and ABA and ABC type of three-dimensional packing with the help of neat diagram. So the answer is in page number 186. So 6.62. So under the topic two-dimensional close packing. So next question number 13, calculate the percentage efficiency of packing in case of body-centered cubic crystal packing efficiency. So the answer is in page number 188. So you need to refer 6.64. So under the topic BCC. So you need to mark up to page number 189. So percentage. So at the last line percentage is there. Up to that you need to mark. So and then question number 14. So what is the two-dimensional coordination number of molecule in the square close packed layer? So when the spheres of the second row are placed exactly above the first, so these spheres are arranged horizontally as well as vertically. So see the diagram now, how they are arranging. So the first layer is arranged, the second layer is arranged above the first layer. So likewise, it's arranged in the horizontal layer and in the vertical layer. So these type of arrangement we are calling it as AAA type. So the coordination number for this type of arrangement we have is 4. So this is the diagram of the square packing. So next question number 15, what is meant by the term coordination number? What is the coordination number of atoms in a BCC structure? So coordination number means, so the number of nearest neighbor that are surrounded. So the each atom is how much it's surrounded by the neighboring atom. That only we are call it as the coordination number. So the coordination number of atoms in a BCC structure is 8. So next question number 16, the element has BCC structure with an edge, cell edge. So that is A. The A of that element is 288 pm. The density is rho. So that is 7.2 gram per cm cube. So for a BCC structure, N is equal to 2. So what is the formula to calculate the density? So density equal to N M divided by A cube Na. So density is given in the question. So that is 7.2 gram per cm cube equal to. So N is, so for the BCC structure, a value of N equal to 2. So 2m divided by, so edges length is given here. So that is 288 pm. So that one we are changed into the centimeter. So 288 into 10 power minus 10 centimeter cube is there. So whole cube into Na is the Avogadro number. So that is 6.023 into 10 power 23 per mole. So next next step 7.2 gram per centimeter cube 2m divided by 2.38. That when we're changing the decimal here. So 2.38 into 10 power minus 23 into centimeter cube into 6.023 into 10 power 23 per mole. So next time this 10 power 23 minus 23 and the 10 power 23 are cancel each other. So we are getting, so 2m divided by, afterwards we are multiplying this 2.38 and 6.023 means we are getting 14.33 centimeter cube per mole. So this 10 power 23 and the positive 10 power 23 are cancelled here. So we are getting, and then in the next step, though this centimeter minus centimeter cube and this centimeter cube are cancelled here. So we are getting 7.2 gram equal to, so we are dividing 2 divided by 14.33 means we are getting 0.140 in this mole. So this mole inverse is moving upwards. So this one changed into the positive. So we are getting m into mole. So we are going to calculate the m only. So m is equal to 7.2 gram divided by 0.140 mole. So we are getting 51.42 gram. So this positive mole is moved towards the upper side. So we are getting mole inverse, mole power minus 1. So by mole concept, 51.42 gram of the element contains, so 6.023 into 10 power 23 atom. So what is asking in the question? For 200 gram of the element, so we need to multiply the Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 208 divided by this m value 51.42 atoms. We are getting 24.17 into 10 power 23 atoms. See the 17th question. So aluminum crystallizes in a cubic closed packed structure. Its metallic radius is 125 pm. Calculate the edge length of the unit cell. So the radius equal to 125 pm. So edge length, that only asking in the question. So for FCC, the formula is R is equal to A into root 2 by 4. So that only we have changed here. A equal to 2 into root 2. So A only we are going to calculate. So A is equal to, so this 2 into root 2 is moves towards the another side. So A is equal to R into 2 into root 2. So the G will not come in that this step. So R value 125 into 2 into, so the root 2 value is 1.414. So we are multiplying everything, means we are getting A is equal to A, that is edge length equal to 353.5 pm.